Hello guys, today I'm going to show you. We made paper boats and left them on the puddle, so I'm going to show you how that looks like. So, teleport vision. So we're making paper boats. They look very adorable. So you can see in my YouTube channel that I made a how to make a paper boat channel, so you can check out that tutorial in YouTube. So here we have some paper boats, like right here. And some here. These are all that I made. So I'm letting a paper boat. Here. Like right here. Well,
많이 컸네. 꼬맹이가.
that my mom's fixing it. And then that just floats. It's so nice.
오케이. wait.
More. I'm going to make more. So I made a paper boat. Bye.